Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making decisions that shape the app. Pick NET6/7 and a template. Once installed, create a new project with .NET New MVC or Razor. This scaffolds folders, program, CS, startup patterns. Make sure to initialize Git so you can track changes and roll back. Also add app settings. JSON for configuration and a local SQLite or SQL Server connection string. This avoids later surprises. Now run .NET Run to verify the template app boots and shows the default page. You now implement the middle. Design models that map to the database, create a DB context, and add Entity Framework migrations. .NET F migrations add init and .NET F database update. Once done, scaffold controllers and views for CRUD operations and register services with dependency injection in program. CS, this keeps code testable. Add form validation, server and client, authentication identity or JWT, and bundle static assets. Make sure each change has a unit or integration test and commit. To finish, prepare a production build and deploy. Run .NET Publish C release, then deploy to Azure App Service, a Linux container, or IIS. Configure environment variables for connection strings and secrets, enable HTTPS and structured logging, and set up health checks and automated backups. Once deployed, verify migrations applied and endpoints respond. If things go wrong, check logs first. Look for failed migrations, CORS errors, or port conflicts. Fix config, redeploy, and rerun health checks to confirm the site is live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.